Maptitude makes it easy to determine the nearest features and their proximity to other features on a map. For example, you may have a map that shows your customers in one layer and your stores in another layer. You can use a data view to tag each customer with the nearest store and its distance away. If necessary, you can click the Modify Table button to add some more fields to use for storing the results. For example, I will add two fields, a character field to store the name of the nearest store and a numeric field to store the distance. I'll name them nearest store and distance. Click on the field heading to highlight the column and choose Edit, Fill. Choose the tag method, choose your store layer, and choose the field with a store name. Maptitude fills the column with the name of the store that is closest to each customer. Now let's fill the distance field. You can also get to the Fill dialog box by right-clicking and choosing Fill. Again, choose the tag option, use the stores layer, and this time keep it as distance to feature. Maptitude fills the column with a straight line distance to the nearest store. In the previous example, I tagged the customers using another point layer, the stores. You could also tag them with an area layer. For example, if this zip code field were empty, like this, you could tag each customer with the zip code area that they're in. Again, I'll right-click and choose Fill, choose the tag option, and this time tag using the 5-digit zip code layer and using the zip field. Maptitude fills the column with zip codes from the zip code area layer. Now if we go to the map, I can create a theme on the customers showing which store is closest, and if I click on a customer with the Info tool, you can see it has the appropriate zip code, and it has the name of the nearest store and distance. For example, this one is 6.89 miles from the Pearl City store. And that wraps up this tutorial on attaching data from nearby features.